I made like $1,800 in a night. It was like that. Hello everyone, welcome to another video with Maria Wendt, and today we're talking about how to get some quick cash in your business like a boss. So the question that we're answering today is, how can I get some quick cash in my business? And you'd be surprised about how many people need this and how many people talk about this. When you're starting a business, there's a lot of investments that you need to make, and cash flow really can be an issue. So I'm going to share a couple of things that I did when I was first starting my business 5 years ago to make some quick money. Now, before I start though, what I want you to know is that these ways to get quick cash aren't always a good long-term strategy for your brand. These are things you want to do intentionally and rarely because they are going to, some of them might hurt your brand in the short term, and you don't want that. So this is not a good long-term strategy. This is a way to just get some cash flow in your business. So just know that the things I'm sharing aren't a good long-term strategy for your business. They're a quick fix solution. So the first thing that I did a long time ago, when I was starting my business about 5 years ago, I wanted to hire a business coach. And so I wasn't making any money at the time. I was just getting started, but I really knew I needed to invest in someone in order to get more clients. So what I did was I posted a really cheap offer to a couple of Facebook groups, and I made like $1,800 in a night. It was like that because I was offering, I want to say the logos for like $200 maybe. It was really cheap. And I got a lot of people taking me up on that. It was a lot of work. Again, it wasn't a good long-term strategy, but I did make enough money to put the down payment on working with this coach, and then working with her, I got more clients and I made my money back. So it was a fantastic way for me to work with someone who could help me get more clients. So the first way is to post a cheap offer into a Facebook group. Not a good strategy long-term, good for like a one-time fix. Second thing that I did when I was first getting started, this was a long time ago, like 2011, 2012, was I freelanced on what is now called Upwork, but at the time it was called Odesk. And it's a freelance networking site where you're not getting paid a ton of money, but you are getting paid some cash. And it's a way for you to kind of supplement what you are or aren't making at in your actual real business. So doing some freelancing on, what would be now Upwork is a good way to get some cash in your business right now, while still sort of protecting your overall brand in your real business. So if you're a marketer, for example, or you're a social media strategist, and you aren't really getting clients in your actual business yet, or you aren't getting a lot, you can supplement your income on Upwork, and it's a great way to get some cash in your business. The third thing that you can do is something that I did when I needed to make a high-level investment. I actually got a loan through PayPal Working Capital. If you really want to invest in someone to get you to the next level, I recommend that you look into that. It's a really good way to get some cash flow coming in. They don't run a credit score check. It's based on your PayPal history. So there's not really, there's not really interest either. So it's just a really good way to get cash flow in, and then you pay them back a percentage of the sales that come in. So as you make money, you pay them back. So it's just a really good way for businesses to get a cash flow in. And a lot of my clients do that when they want to work with me, because they know that working with me is going to take their business to the next level. They're going to get clients. They're going to grow their business. It's a really good strategy. And then as they make more money, they pay their loan back. So look into PayPal Working Capital. If you have questions about any of this, drop them in the comments below. If you want more free information on how to grow your business, how to get clients, how to make more money, I recommend you check out my website, mariawendt.com. I have it spelled here. The D is silent. But yeah, I've got lots of free content on there on how you can really make more money and become a successful business owner. So check that out, and I will see you in the next video.